Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use LexisNexis for research. First, open your browser and go to the LexisNexis website. If you have an account, click on sign in and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with a search bar at the top. Now, type your topic or keyword into the search bar, for example, data privacy laws or Supreme Court decisions. You can also choose to search for news, legal cases, company information, or law reviews by selecting the right filter below the search bar. After typing your search, press enter. LexisNexis will now show you a list of results related to your topic. You can use the filters on the left side of the screen to narrow down your search by date, source, content type, or jurisdiction. Click on any result to open and read the full document. You can also highlight text, copy citation, or download the articles for later use. If you're doing deeper research, you can also go to the advanced search option to enter more specific details like data range, court level, and party name. This way, you can use LexisNexis to find trusted, in-depth information for legal, academic, or business research. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.